crane is detected, all of you come back and report it.
Jervis,
Yes, sir.
find my team.
Yes, sir.
Dear Mr. Seno Aji Prasetya, let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Putri, and I'm the leader of the navigation team. Today, me and my team would like to tell you about civil engineering tool that you told us to do research before. Then, hear the explanation of the crane.
Hello, I'm Mentari from the first division. I would like to give you some general information about the crane. We already know crane is one of the tools in construction, but what specific of crane is it? Here we go. Crane is a specific type of machinery equipped with hoist rope, wire ropes, and shifts that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. Cranes can be extremely large and tall or much smaller and located on the ground. Cranes' weight and price are different depending on the type of crane we use.
I'm Lutfanny from the second division. Now, let's turn to the function of the crane. The main function of the cranes are to lift and lower the materials, also move it horizontally. Cranes are also used to lift the heavy thing to other place. Cranes are commonly used in the transportation industry, construction, and in the manufacturing industry.
Furthermore, crane also has a variety of types according to its function. The following types of cranes are: the first is crawlable crane. This type of crane has a head that can move 360 degrees. With the crawl wheel, this type of crane can move around the sides while doing his job. The second is crane truck. This type of crane can move from project to project without the help of transport. But this crane remains to be dismantled to make the transition easier. The next is crane to restricted location. This type of crane was placed on top of two A's, where both axles move simultaneously with the advantage. This type of crane can move about freely. The last is tower crane. Tower crane is a device that rises in vertical and horizontally material to a high point in limited motion.
All things will have advantages and disadvantages, so will the cranes. The advantages of using a crane include: 1. A crane can transporting easily at high places, so is very suitable to be used to help with high-rise buildings. 2. A crane can carry things with a very large capacity, making it easier to build buildings. 3. A crane has the ability to rotate up to 360 degrees so that it makes it easier to move goods anywhere as needed. While the disadvantages of using a tower can include: 1. A crane is very expensive. 2. A crane is difficult to move. It takes time and effort to be transported from one to another area.
Let me explain how to operate the crane. First, visually inspect the overhead crane and safety locks. Make sure sling and hook in the good condition. Second, turn on the switch breaker and test the crane without load. Next, make sure the safety and security of work area and items that to be moved, and don't forget to wear the safety helmet. Next, make sure the weight to be lifted doesn't exceed to the capacity of the overhead crane. And then select the sling that to be used. In diameter and length must to be accordance to with the load to be lifted. Next, tie the load to be lifted properly and correctly. And then lift weight slowly, and if it moves, Try to keep the distance from the floor not too high. Next, during the lifting, you need pay attention to the load that is being raised. Do not let it load and nothing gets in the way. And don't leave the load hanging. The last, put the overhead crane and the lift load in the safe area and turn off the switch breaker when it finishes. These are all the research results about the crane that we have conveyed to you. I sincerely appreciate that we have an opportunity to present to you. In the end, let us say thank you.
Okay, good job everyone.
So, crane is one of the most important tools in construction because of its function to moving materials in different direction and location. The construction industry would not make it without the service of the crane, as it is the only machine known to lift very heavy loads at very high altitudes, because manual lifting would be very time consuming and difficult.